So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have 6 men and 5 women. They have to be seated on a round table so that no 2 women sit together. So again, in these cases we use the method called gap method, right? Gap method. So in this method what we do is, so I don't want women sitting together, so I leave this women first. So in the first stage I'll arrange all these men in the circle. So 6 men can be arranged in a circle in how many ways? 5 factorial ways, that is n minus 1 ways. So we know that in a circular arrangement, if you have to arrange n objects, so that can be done in n minus 1 factorial ways. So men can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So assume that men has been arranged. So there are 6 men have been arranged. So now once 6 men have been arranged, you get gaps between the men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 gaps. In these 6 gaps, if you arrange women, they won't be together. There will be at least 1 man between any 2 women. So in how many ways can I arrange 5 women in these 6 gaps? So you have to remember that once the basic arrangement has been done, once the first fellow has sat in the round table, then there is no difference between the round table, round circular arrangements and linear arrangements. So in the second stage, you have to use linear arrangements. So 5 women in 6 gaps can be done in 6p5 ways. So the total number of ways is 5 factorial into 6p5. That is 5 factorial into 6p5 is same as 6 factorial. So this will be the total number of arrangements. Thank you.